thank you for joining us. Today we will introduce you to the newest VIVOTEK multi-sensor camera, the MA9321 EHTV. First, let's open the box and see what's included. Each MA9321 EHTV includes the camera itself, the mounting plate, the quick installation guide, the alignment sticker, the screw pack, and a special tool. Now, with the cover removed, you'll see that we have 4 independent 5 megapixel lenses, and each is on this circular track. So you can rotate it on here, you can pan on here, and then tilt, as well as rotate each lens. To loosen up the lenses, you could loosen the screws here on each one. Each remote focus lens is 3.7 to 7.7 millimeters, providing 88.8 to 40.2 degrees horizontal field of view and 59.8 to 28.6 degrees vertical field of view. Each sensor is capable of 30 frames per second at 5 megapixel resolution, and each also has 120 dB WDR. Now with 4 5 megapixel sensors and 30 frames per second recording ability, you would think that this camera consumes a lot of bandwidth. However, VIVOTEK has employed H.265 compression technology as well as their Smart Stream 3 technology to optimize bandwidth efficiency. Now with the cover back on, let's take a look at the housing. The MA9321 is IP66 and IK10 rated, and can operate down to -40 degrees Celsius and up to 50 degrees Celsius. With a wide assortment of accessories, the MA9321 EHTV can be deployed in many situations, such as suspended from a high ceiling to mounted on a pole or the outside corner of a building. This versatility makes it great for environments like education, shopping malls, parking lots and garages, airports, city surveillance, traffic and intersections, and sporting venues. The MA9321 EHTV is one of the most versatile cameras VIVOTEK has ever offered. Get yours today at a local authorized distributor.